You can tell the snow, the wind's been blowing. It's blowed the snow up against my house. See out here how it looks. I'm going to start my car. It's not as bad here as it was in Amarillo. There's a drift that's about probably a foot deep maybe. Get in there and start my car. It'll start. It's still blowing probably 20-30 miles an hour gusts. Ain't nothing like to getting up in the northern panhandle though. Go. See the snow blowing. There's the conditions at my house. 32 degrees outside, 9 wind chill.